other than Pranali!
All the 10 finalists, please stick around. We're going to do a photo session later with you. And please note that these people were selected only because of the answers that they gave. It has nothing to do with your style or your personality. All of you are pretty stylish and you've got a great personality. A generous round of applause for all the semi-finalists and our 5 finalists. Come on, make some noise! What happened to the noise, guys? Clapping, screaming, whistling. Give us some josh.
What happened to your hand, Anjan?
Yeah, okay. Make some noise.
Yeah! Alright, what happens now is very simple. Each of these contestants will come forward. They will pick a judge and the judge will ask them a question which they gotta answer. Girls and one boy, are you ready? Judges, are you ready?
Judges?
Judges, hello, bhai sahab. Judges, ready?
BITS Pilani Dubai, are you ready? Nobody's ready. Okay, let's switch off the lights, shut up the music and go home. Bye bye, see you. We'll try this again. BITS Pilani Dubai, are you ready? This is the grand finale, okay? It's the final. One of these people is going to get their photograph in Filmfare Middle East and you can go home and be really proud that one of your college mates is in the magazine. So make sure you cheer for them, alright?
Alright, so we're gonna call again in random order. Let's have Chitra. Let's hear it up for Chitra, guys! I don't bite, promise. Okay, so you get a chance to pick any one of the judges.
I think I'll be biased to Nahid Afshan. No?
Sorry, while ma'am, once again, while she asks the question, the buses will leave only after the event ends, okay? So don't worry about it. No bus is going to leave without you. Mandeep just informed me that the buses will leave only after the event. So, how much time do we have? Can we take more time? Go until 6 p.m. or we not? That's, I'm kidding, but buses will leave only after the event. Go for it now.
Okay.
If you had to choose between looks and intelligence, which one would you pick?
If I had to choose between looks and intelligence, I would definitely choose intelligence because I think that is more important than the physical appearance. And even in the world out there, intelligence is what counts than the looks. Thank you.
Come on, guys, give them a round of applause.
Okay, up next we've got Vishakha.
Choose your judge, Vishakha.
Tween.
Okay, when they're giving their answers, let's keep silent so that the answers are heard, alright? Good job, backbench off.
Shit. How are you doing, BITS Pilani? Alright, Vishakha, your question is... Alright, silence please. Behind my back, don't do anything. If you get a chance to clone one person, who would that be?
A chance to clone.
And why?
If I get a chance to clone one person, that would be my mom. Because I wouldn't want to let her go at any point of time, and I love her for what she is to me, her support and everything possible. So it's gonna be my mom, because what I do is for myself and her, and I would surely one day like to make her feel proud of it. So it would be my mom. Thank you.
Fantastic. Oh, put your hands together for that answer. Generous round of applause.
Anjan's doing the Indian head shake.
Indian head shake. Yeah.
Okay, up next.
Proud to be brown.
Alright, let's hear it up for the person with one of my favorite last names after Virat Kohli. Let's hear it up for Erica Kohli.
Erica, choose your judge, please. It is Tuhin again.
Tuhin, you're in demand.
Wait, hold on. He has an answer for that. Stand up and say that loudly again.
What's the question? What happened here? Rich Pilani?
One of the boys got excited.
Rich Pilani में इतना जोश है क्योंकि उन्हें पीने की जरूरत नहीं है, जोश अंदर से है। Alright, alright, guys, don't do anything behind my back. I'm turning weight. If you had a magic lamp, what is the one thing you would ask for?
Guys, let her answer, please.
I'll ask for my papa to stay there for me always because I can't live without him. He's everything for me. I cannot live without him. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now you can make noise and applaud and clap and scream and shout and shake your head. Come on! Rich Pilani! All the folks in the back bench are sitting like this. Really uncross your arms and clap. Come on, give it up for them. They're the finalists from your college.
Seems like there are lots of Karan Johar fans here. Everybody wants to watch movies. It's all about loving the family. So let's hear it up for Pranali.
Choose your judge, please, Pranali.
Anupam.
Anupam Kher is not his name. His name is Anupam Nair. He's one of the judges.
Check. I'm Anupam Nair. Who doesn't know me here? No, nobody knows me here, right? Okay, your question is, if you were one day without your phone, one day you will have no access to your phone, how would that day be?
That day would be impossible. That day cannot come. I am really addicted to my phone. It's impossible.
Hey boys, let her answer, please.
So what would you do? How would you connect to people? Imagine you're one day without your phone. No connection, no mobile, no iPad, no technology around you. So what would you do?
I think I would sit in a corner and cry because I seriously can't live without my phone.
Seems like we need a lot of tissues, but let's hear it up for Pranali, guys. Come on.
Last but not the least, our last finalist of the day. Please put your hands together and welcome
Shalom.
Choose your judge, please.
Anupam.
After that, we'll do the Shalom walk, okay?
Okay, Shalom, since you want to be a fitness trainer, you want to have your own Shlok. Shlok, if you want to be a fitness trainer and the works. So the question for you is, if you were a superhero for one day, what would the superpowers that you would want to possess in you? And what would you do in that one day? Yeah. What superhero would you be? It would be Super Shlok. Okay, but what superpowers will you have and what will you do in that one day?
Okay, so I want to squat 1,000 pounds. Because there's only one guy in the world who did it till now. So that, yeah, world record. So I want to have that power. So I should squat 1,000 pounds.
Okay, hey, forget 1,000 pounds. Can you just squat for us? Show them how a squat is done. Yeah, you said squat 1,000 pounds, right? So just do a squat imaginary. That's not how a squat looks for those of you who don't know, yeah?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it up for our top 5 finalists of Rich Pilani Dubai.
Take a walk forward. Now you clap for them. Come on, make some noise. Everybody clapping in the house, everybody. I want to see every single person putting their hands together and clapping. Come on. We have a little performance for you, after which we'll announce the results. So I request our finalists to please be seated.
So while our judges